onde andei, as histórias, os caminhos, o destino que eu mudei, cenas do meu filme em branco e preto que o vento levou e o tempo traz. Entre todos os amores e amigos de você me lembro mais. There are places I remember all my life, though some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone and some remain. All these places had their moments with lovers and friends I still can recall. Some are dead and some are living in my life. I love them all. Tem pessoas que a gente não esquece, nem se esquecer. O primeiro namorado, uma estrela da TV, personagens do meu livro de memórias que um dia rasguei do meu cartaz. Entre todas as novelas e romances de você me lembro mais. But of all these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you. And these memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them. In my life, I love you more. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people